Today we are going to solve numericals of income method. In this method I have written one question, that is question number 2, VKORE. This question number 2, you can see here contents are given: rent, COE, social security contribution, mixed income, NFIA minus 10 given है, gross domestic capital formation given 140, royalty given, interest, net capital formation given, and NIT given, profit given. So here first of all we need to know about the concept again. What is to be calculated? We have to put on left hand side, and what is given we have to put on right hand side. It will be easy for you to write the given aggregate on right hand side, as this is to be converted into whichever aggregate is asked. So let us calculate this question. First of all, you need to write a formula. In income method, first of all we need to calculate domestic income. We calculate domestic income first of all. COE, I am writing abbreviations only, that is COE, compensation of employees, plus operating surplus, plus mixed income. Already we have studied about this content in previous videos. Here first and foremost thing, you have to check here whether COE is given and the part of COE is given. You have to consider whether the part of COE is given or or direct COE is given, whether operating surplus is given or the part of operating surplus is given. These two main thing you have to consider here. You have to keep in your mind about these concepts. So we will check here, direct COE is given or the part of CC, social security contribution. This is the part of COE, but I can see here compensation of employees is also given. So we will write 500 here. We will not consider the part of COE. This will not be considered. Okay, now OS, operating surplus, will take rent 100, will take interest 110, will take royalty 20. I said royalty if given you have to take, otherwise no need to take. Profit direct given, so will take directly. Profit is 200, and mixed income is given 600. Mixed income. Okay, so now we will calculate all these. This all is 1530. So now you have calculated NTP FC, that is 1530. In your question, what is to calculate? You have to calculate GNP MP. GNP MP. You have to calculate. So what to do? You will write here GNP MP. I told you what is to be calculated. You have to write on left hand side, and what is given you have to put on right hand side. Now you have calculated NDPFC that was given to you. So you will follow basic concepts. Net to gross you will go, plus depreciation. Domestic to national you will go, plus NFIA, and factor cost to market price if you will go, plus NIT. So 1530 plus depreciation is given. You can see in question. Okay, depreciation you have to calculate because gross domestic capital formation is given and net capital formation, net domestic capital formation is given. So what to do? You will do gross minus net, you will get debt. Gross how much? 140 is given and net capital formation 120 is given. So your debt would be 20. So here you will write 20 plus, sometimes direct debt is given and sometimes you have to calculate. NFIA, net factor income from abroad, minus 10 is given, you will keep in bracket, and plus NIT is given, NIT 150 is given. So what to do? The total you will get 1700 minus 10 and your answer would be 1690. The value were given in crores, values were given in crores, so you will write here crores. If it is given in lakhs, you have to write in lakhs. Now come to next question. You can see here rent is given. This is net factor income to abroad. I have written in short 10. National debt interest 15, wages and salaries 700, current transfers 10, undistributed profit 20, corporate tax 30, and interest profit 20, interest 150, and social security contribution by employers, this is given 100, and dividend given 50. So we have to calculate in this question national income, that is NNPFC, means net national product at factor cost we have to calculate. So we'll follow our formula. NDP FC is equal to net domestic product at factor cost is equal to COE plus OS plus mixed income. You need to write every time, you need to write your formula, because in board step marking will be done, so you have to take care of this point. Your mark should not be deducted if it comes of 6 marks in board exam. So step wise marking will be done in exam. Okay, so every time you need to write your formula so that there is no chance of mistakes. Okay, so COE, so you'll see here which content is given. Here I can see wages and salaries are given, compensation of employee is not given, so we'll write part of COE 700 plus employer contribution, that is 100. Here main point is this: if employer contribution is given, you have to consider it. If employees contribution is given, no need to consider employees. Employees will not be contributed in social security scheme. Only employers contribution will be taken. Okay, now operating surplus, take part of operating surplus, will search undistributed profit, this corporate tax, interest and dividend. 4 parts are given. Undistributed profit 20, corporate tax 30, and interest 150 and dividend 50. So we'll get total here. And mixed income is not given, so I'll take it as 0. Whenever any content is not given, you take it as 0. Okay, don't worry about it. Now come to this, total comes 1250. This is your NDP FC. Now come to, you have to calculate NNPFC. Here NDPFC is given, so you will go domestic to national plus NFIA, only one part will be done. Okay, so 1250. Okay, and NFITA, you can see here net factor income to abroad given. If net factor income from abroad given, that will be taken positively. If net factor income to abroad given, so it will be taken in negative, so minus 10 I will write, then 1240 will be my answer. If values are given in lakhs, so we'll write in lakhs. Values are given in crores, we'll write crores. Now come to next question. Come to this question, question number 9. Wages and salaries given, personal tax given, operating surplus given, undistributed profit given, personal income given, mixed income given, royalty given, employer contribution to social security scheme, corporate tax, net factor income to abroad given है minus में है, and consumption of fixed capital, that is called depreciation. I told you depreciation, that is given 30. So here we have to calculate GNP MP. So whether you have to solve this question by income method or expenditure method or value added method, see how you will determine by which method you have to solve. First of all, you have to check the content. Okay, in order to determine income method, you need to check the content, whether rent, interest, royalty, compensation of employees is given or not. If question is given by value added method, so you need to check value added method content, sales of value of output, change in stock is given or not, NVMP, GVMP, whatever is given, so you need to check once. If it is given by expenditure method, so private final consumption expenditure, government final consumption expenditure, net exports, and gross domestic fixed capital formation or net domestic fixed capital formation will be given. So here you have to solve, we have to solve this question, GNP MP we have to calculate. So what to do? I told you, you have to write simple this formula. Domestic income we have to calculate, COE plus operating surplus plus mixed income. If any content is not given, take it as 0. Here COE, direct COE is not given, so wages and salaries and employer contribution 2 are given, so we'll take 800 plus 100. In operating surplus, royalty is given, and direct operating surplus is given, so no need to take royalty, no need to take royalty. Operating surplus is 200, operating surplus is 200. I'll cut it and write it again. Operating surplus is 200 and plus mixed income. Once operating surplus is given, you can see many content are given. Many contents are given, undistributed profit, royalty given, corporate tax given, all will not be taken once operating surplus is given. No need to consider other part of operating surplus. So here mixed income is given, 500 will take mixed income, that is 1600 will come NDPFC. Now you have to calculate GNP MP. In your question it is given, and DPFC you have to calculate. Net to gross you will go, plus depreciation you will add, domestic to national you will go, plus NFIA, but NFITA is given, so you will take here in minus, and what is next one is plus NIT, factor goes to market price you will go, plus you will do NIT. Okay, so NDPFC 1600 is given, DAP is given, consumption of fixed capital I told you 30, DAP is given 30, and the value net factor income to abroad it is given in minus, and already you are taking in minus, so minus minus both will be in plus, but once we take the value in bracket, okay, because you can do mistake if you are taking it directly. plus NIT is given. NIT, net indirect tax, we have to check whether it is given or not. It is given 70. Net indirect tax 70 is given. So 1600, that is 1700 plus 20. So this is 1700. 20 would be your answer. Now we will do question number 11. GNP MP, we have to calculate net factor income to abroad given, debt given, that is consumption of fixed capital, COE compensation of employees. Here again you can see social security contribution, employees given, employees we do not consider, no need to consider. Okay, we consider only if COE, direct COE is given, we'll consider COE. So again we will write our formula. NDP FC is equal to COE plus OS plus mixed income. Then COE 700 is given, operating surplus is given, operating surplus other content is given, rent, undistributed profit, interest, rent, dividend. These four are given. So we'll take all four. 90 plus 100 plus 20. Okay, then mixed income is not given in this question, so I'll not take mixed income. Okay, we'll take as 0. Now 70, 30, corporate tax, it is 30. Okay, 30. Now we will take all the value together. We'll add this 950. This is NDP FC comes. You have to calculate NNP MP. So NDP FC you will write here, domestic to national and factor goes to market price you will go. So domestic to national plus NFIA plus NIT. So what to do? 950 net factor income from abroad. Here we, according to formula we have added, but in question a value net factor income to abroad is given, that will be taken as in minus, and already value is given in minus, so we will write in bracket plus 110. So this will come 1070, minus value will be in plus. So I hope you have understood all the concept of numericals.